In this video, I'll show you how to use a custom kick command to play sounds or even Gifs on your stream. First, if you haven't already, sign up on Kicklet. You can easily do this at the top right in the navigation. Let's get started. First, we need a widget that can be added to OBS and will play both sounds and Gifs. To do this, go to the menu, select Widgets, and then Gallery. Here, search for the Sound GIF player and click on it. You don't need to change the name, just click Save and confirm everything here again. Now we can see the widget in our Installed Widgets section. Next, we just need to add it to OBS. To do this, click on it once and then drag this green box into your scene in OBS. Click Yes here. That covers the widget setup. Now we need to create the command. For this, switch to the Commands option in the top menu. Here, go to the gallery and search for Sound. There are two predefined commands available, the Sound Player and the Sound and GIF Player. We'll choose the command with the GIF. If you only want a sound, the Sound Player command will suffice. Click on it, and you can set everything up here. Decide what the command should be, for example, !scare if you want to create a jump scare or whatever else. Let your creativity run wild. Here, you can set cooldowns, permissions, and the cost of the command. However, the most important settings are under Configuration. Here, you can first select a message that appears when the command is used. Set the volume of the sound and the duration the GIF should be displayed. Below, select the desired sound and the GIF you want. Just click on it. You have the option to upload your own files or choose from a small library. I'll choose the first sound in the library. For the GIF, I'll also select the first one from the library. I think you've got the principle. Now press Save. The command should now appear in your normal Commands tab. If everything is correct, the command is ready to use. Of course, you can still adjust everything here if you need to reconfigure. Let's test the command now in KickChat. We type the command we just set, in my case, the !play GIF, and we see in OBS, the GIF appears as desired and the sound is audible. This concludes the setup. If you should have any problems or questions, don't hesitate to join the Kicklet Discord with the link in the description and ask. That's it from me with the video. Please leave a like and a comment. See you next time.